Dear brothers, sisters, and elders, welcome back. If you have ever felt forgotten, disrespected, or like life has stripped away your dignity, then what I am about to share with you today may be the most important thing you watch all week. There is one name of Allah, hidden within the 99 beautiful names, that carries within it the power to restore your honor, remove your fear, and bring majesty back into a life that feels broken. That name is ZUL JALALI WAL IKRAM, the Lord of Majesty and Honor. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it. Many of us go through seasons where we feel small. Maybe you have been disrespected by family. Maybe you have worked your whole life and feel unseen. Maybe age has made you feel invisible in a world that only celebrates the young and the loud. If any of this speaks to you, please know this: Allah did not create you to be forgotten. He created you to be honored, and He has given us a way to call upon that honor directly. ZUL JALALI WAL IKRAM means the one who possesses majesty, glory, and generosity all at once. It means Allah is not only powerful, He is also the one who bestows dignity and honor upon whoever turns to Him sincerely. This name appears in the Quran, and countless scholars throughout history have spoken about the incredible spiritual weight it carries. It is said that when this name is recited with sincerity and consistency, it can soften hardened hearts, lift heavy burdens, and bring a sense of peace that nothing in this world can offer. Now, before we move into the practice itself, I want to ask you a small favor. If you find comfort in videos like this, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Every single week, we bring you these sacred practices, explained simply, so that you can carry them into your daily life. It costs nothing, but it means everything to us, and it helps this message reach more people who may desperately need to hear it. Now, let's continue. So how do you actually perform this blessing? The practice is simple enough for anyone to follow, whether you are young or old, whether you have 5 minutes or 50. Traditionally, this is best practiced after the Fajr prayer, in the quiet stillness of early morning, though it can be done at any time your heart feels ready to turn toward Allah. Begin by sitting in a clean, quiet space. Take a few slow breaths to settle your mind. Before starting, send blessings upon the Prophet, peace be upon him, as is customary before any devotional recitation. Then, with sincerity in your heart, repeat the phrase ZUL JALALI WAL IKRAM continuously. Many scholars recommend reciting it 100 times in a single sitting, though if your circumstance is difficult or your need is urgent, some traditions suggest increasing this to a few hundred repetitions over the course of the day. There is no rigid rule here. What matters most is consistency and sincerity, not perfection. As you recite, hold in your heart the specific difficulty you are facing. If it is disrespect from others, ask Allah to restore your honor. If it is fear about your health or your family, ask Allah to grant you majesty over that fear. If it is a feeling of being forgotten in old age, ask Allah to remind you that in His eyes, you are never forgotten. This name is not just words on the tongue. It is a conversation with the divine, one that acknowledges both His majesty and His mercy in the very same breath. Many people who have practiced this blessing consistently, for as little as 11 days, some say 21 days, describe a profound shift, a sense of calm replacing anxiety, a newfound respect appearing in relationships that once felt one-sided, a quiet strength that allows them to face hardship without being crushed by it. This is the beauty of turning to Allah's names. They are not magic formulas, but sincere invitations for Allah to manifest that particular quality of His in your life. It is also worth remembering that consistency matters more than intensity. It is better to recite this name humbly, 100 times a day for a month, than to recite it 1,000 times once and then forget it. Faith, like anything precious, is built through small, repeated acts of devotion. For those of you who are elders watching this, I want to speak to you directly for a moment. Your years are not a burden. They are a badge of honor in the eyes of Allah. He sees the prayers you have whispered through decades of life. He sees the patience you have carried through trials that younger hearts have not yet faced. This name, ZUL JALALI WAL IKRAM, is a reminder that your dignity does not depend on how the world treats you. It depends on your closeness to the one who created you with honor from the very beginning. And for the sisters watching, please know that this practice is especially beloved among women throughout history who have turned to this name during times of hardship, loneliness, or when seeking protection and respect within their families and communities. There is no barrier between you and this powerful name. It is yours to call upon, anytime, any place, in your own words, in your own heart. Before we close, I want to leave you with one final thought. Majesty and honor are not things we chase after in this world through wealth or status. They are gifts given by the Lord of Majesty Himself, ZUL JALALI WAL IKRAM, to those who turn to Him with a humble and sincere heart. So today, wherever you are, whatever you are going through, take a moment. Say His name, Ya ZUL JALALI WAL IKRAM, and trust that the one who holds majesty and honor in His hands is more than capable of restoring both to your life. If this video brought you comfort, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this message, and subscribe so you never miss the next one. May Allah grant you honor, ease, and peace in this life and the next. Until next time, dear brothers, sisters, and elders, take care, and may Allah be with you.